Here we are checking out Hyatt Place, New York City, Times Square. It's about a 10-minute walk to Times Square from this hotel, so it's ideal if you want to be staying in the Times Square area and exploring it. Let's go inside and check out the hotel. So the check-in process was easy. I just had to give my passport and then I was given my keys pretty much straight away. This is the reception area. As you can see, there's a number of seats. This area was quite busy during my stay. Over here they also have some desks with computer access if you wanted to get some work done or if you needed to use a computer. They also have a small shop in the reception area, so if you wanted to buy snacks and drinks. Let's go and check out the room that I stayed in. So my booking was for a king room on a high floor. And I am on the top floor here, so I'm going to the 26th floor. And this is the room that I stayed in, 2615. Let's go inside and check it out. So when you enter, you can see there's the main bed, but there's also a small sofa which you can lounge on. So over here they provided coffee and teas. There's no kettle, there's just a coffee machine here. There's an ice bucket there at the top. And this is the wardrobe space. And underneath we have a security deposit box and a mini fridge. The bed is a king-size bed which was quite comfortable. Over on the side here they have a USB port, the switches for the reading light, and they also have a plug socket here too. The TV had Google Chromecast, so you could stream from your device, which was pretty good. The shower area was quite cramped, so you had the toilet there on the right, the sink, and then the shower on the left. They did provide shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. Now let's have a look at the view from the room. And over here is the AC system and the AC vents. Morning.
Breakfast is just
Thank you. Now let me show you what was available for breakfast. The breakfast area does get extremely busy, so I would recommend to attend when it first opens, so around 6:30 or 7 AM. Otherwise you'll end up queuing for a long time. So there's two seating areas. There's this one here which is attached to a bar. And then over here on the other side, there is more seating. And in fact, on this end of the dining area, there is also more food and drinks here. Over here there's a bar called the Placery, so the hotel does have this bar for evening times where you can watch sports and have drinks. Now the hotel also has a gym, so let's go and check that out. So that's everything for today's video. Let me know what you think of this hotel, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.